Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'm sharing with you how I make a simple round bread. These are my dry ingredients: flour, yeast, salt, and full cream milk. And my wet ingredients, I have an egg and some warm water, apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons honey. So we'll start by pouring the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients, and that just mix it up. So in this recipe, I was supposed to add 2 teaspoons of yeast, but I had only 1.5. So that's why I added an egg and then the water to make it up to 1 cup and a teaspoon of liquid. Then I added 2 tablespoons of honey. So this is how the dough looks, not hard but soft. Then I added this coconut oil. I am a fan of coconut oil. This coconut oil has a lovely flavor. And then, yeah, so add the coconut oil. And the coconut oil I added is for a double recipe. But I'm going to work it. And let's see what happens at the end of the video. It's really oily. When you add oil, it makes it easy for you to work with soft dough. This is how my dough looks. So I'm gonna cover it and allow it to rise. I also put a plate on top. You could use a plastic wrap, but I'm gonna use what I have right now. A few minutes later, let's open. Well, it has risen a little bit more than how it was before, so all we need to do is just knead it, and it's just sucking up all the oil. So make sure you grease your baking dish properly. I'm using this glass baking dish, and then fold in the dough and shape it wrong. Yeah, so this is how my dough looks, ready to pop in the oven. And I am using my air fryer because my oven has been misbehaving. So let's just pop it in. And then I chose the setting with the heat below. And then the temperature, the lowest setting, because I want to allow the dough to rise. And the timer, I first set it on 30 minutes, and shortly after I changed it to 60 minutes. Oh, by the way, I forgot one little detail. I used an egg because my yeast was just 1.5 instead of 2. And then I also used the vinegar to cut the freshness in the egg. I was hoping the egg would help out in the rising process. After 20 minutes of rising, I changed the temperature setting to 65 degrees Celsius. And then after another 10 minutes, I changed the temperature to 140 degrees. Now I wanted my bread to start browning. As you can see, it has risen and it looks really good. So I increased the temperature to 190 for the browning of my bread, and also changed the timer to 30 minutes as it was close to the end. You can see that it's close to the end. So I brought it back to 30 minutes because it wasn't going to get the color that I was looking for. Yeah, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I didn't think 20 minutes would have browned it the way that I would have wanted it to be. So exactly after 30 minutes, my bread is ready. And I just have to be careful with the heat. Yeah, it looks lovely. It looks brown. Yeah, I like my baked stuff to be very brown. Yeah, very easy. It came out easy. And I just need to leave it for some time to cool, and then cut a slice and taste it. So yeah, I didn't even wait for it to cool. It's just a little bit warm. Yeah, and it's soft and warm, but I have to taste it. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Ah, you see? And it's crunchy, just the way I like it. This is my lovely round bread. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.